In problems on ages, solution using the common factor x. So I'll show one simple trick here. There's only exist for these type of problems. So if you notice one, age of MS and VK were in the ratio 4:3 5 years back. Their ages will be in the ratio 5:4 in 2 years. So 5 years back, this is the ratio. After 2 years, 5:4. Find their present ages. Actually, we supposed to take, so let us 4x and 3x. Okay, age of MS is equals to 4x. This is the 5 years back it is. So 5 years back, age of MS is 4x and age of this VK is equals to 3x we should take. Again, after this is 5 years back. Again, after 2 years means again we need to add present 5 plus extra 2. So in the place of to finding x value, we have the direct concept difference between the ratios. That means 4:3 is 1. This is 5 years back, right? And 5:4 is after 2 years. This is 5 years back. This is after 2 years. Only when the ratio difference is same. So difference between these two numbers and difference between these two numbers we can call it as a D. That is 1. Difference between the ratios, not side, top number and down number. Difference if it is the same, that is equals to D 1. Difference in years, 5 years back and after 2 years. So total 7 years gap. Compared to between these two ratios, the gap between the two ratios is 7 years. So difference in years is 7. 7 by 1 is equal to 7. That is the common factor x. So that you can find out. So 4 into 7 and 3 into 7. 4 into 7, yeah, this is 28 and it's 21. So 5 years back, 28 and 21. Then present means plus 5. 5 years back, this is 28 and 21, right? So present ages. Then present age is equals to 28 plus 5. That is equal to 34. This is the age of MS. So MS present age. Then similarly, this VK present age is equals to 21 plus 5, 26. So to find out the common factor x, this is the only is exist when the D value is same. This first and 2 difference is the same only, we can apply difference in years by D. Okay, 5 years, any number of years, like for example 10 years back and after 3 years ratios. So difference in years is total 7 years in this case, and this difference only must be same, not side. Like this you can check. Okay, 4 to 5 difference is 1, 3 to 4 difference is 1. And sometimes 4:3 and 6:5 means 2 is the difference. Okay, this is a common factor to find out x value we can apply. That is what is asked starting. 4:3, no, this is 5 years back. This data we are getting. Then according to this percentage we can find out. Okay, this technique you can apply in this few problems on ages.